severe thunderstorm warning for central Catawba County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern McDowell County in western North Carolina, northeastern Rutherford County in western North Carolina, northwestern Lincoln County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, southeastern Caldwell County in western North Carolina, northwestern Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Burke County in western North Carolina, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:58 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 6 miles northwest of Hickory to near Morganton to 4 miles east of Marion, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Hickory, Morganton, Newton, Marion, St. Stephen's, Conover, Longview, Sawmills, Granite Falls, and Valdez. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using #NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Burke, Caldwell, Catawba, Cleveland, Lincoln, McDowell, and Rutherford.